Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to apply foundation and concealer for beginners. Now the first thing you need to know is you need to get good quality concealer and foundation because you do not want to ruin your face. And then second of all, know your skin tone. So even if you have to go to a professional, just ask them like which one will suit my face. And then also try and invest in prep primer. This does help. You'll apply it before your makeup. Okay, if you don't have prep primer, then get setting spray, which you'll apply after you've done like the whole look. This will help for the makeup to not like melt if you're in the sun and all. It does really help. So it's a good investment to try. So let's get started. So what I like to do is I like to have a liquid concealer and your normal foundation. I bought mine at MAC. Okay, now the reason why my liquid concealer is way more brighter than the foundation is because I'm going to blend them together, and if I were to just apply the foundation alone, it wouldn't really pop out, if that makes sense. And you'll see after I'm done what I mean. So and now you're going to have these two, but if you can't have like, if you can't get a liquid concealer, then it's fine. You can just, I don't know how to help you with that, but anyways, try and invest in also liquid concealer. It does also help with just blending and all. So now we're going to apply the foundation, which is the darker looking one. Now you're not just going to apply it on, you're going to of course map it out on your face. Okay, so here's how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm going to just dab it there. Okay, now we have that done. Now we are going to go to the cheekbones. Okay, we're just gonna, there you go. Now we are going to apply the liquid foundation. So I'm just gonna apply it over here. Just do like a little mini circle, and then you're gonna go down your nose. Oh, that's not straight, but okay. And then you are going to apply it underneath your eyes, just like this. And just a bit up your nose a bit. Okay, it's not accurate, but I hope you get the idea of what I'm trying to do. Okay, now you are going to apply your foundation. Okay, just down like that. Okay, that's sort of what it should look like. It actually is. Okay, so now we have that done. Now we are going to apply the liquid concealer. Okay, so we just apply here. And then just down on your chin, just a little bit on your chin. Now we are going to blend it with the egg. Okay, if you don't have the egg, okay, you can try using a brush, but it won't blend as nicely as it would with the egg. So try and invest in an egg as well. It really helps. It's not really that expensive, so try and invest in it. Also forgot to mention, you need to also just put a bit of foundation on your eyelids as well. So soften your eyebrows as well. Okay, and now we're done with that. Now we are going to blend it. Now make sure it also goes like up near your hairline so that you don't see two different shades, which just looks weird sometimes. are done. Well done, you did it. Proud of you. Please make sure to subscribe. If you have any comments, do write them down and I'll make sure I answer them. And also, if you want to see what type of makeup look I did for this concealer, I have put the link of that video in the in the information box underneath this video. Okay, check it out as well. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.